Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Sunken Kingdom Voyage. To begin your underwater adventure, you must first start the captains of the Damn Tall Tale. Head to the Castaways camp, which is usually found on any outpost. Once there, locate and speak with the mysterious castaway. She will provide you with the initial quest item and set you on the path to uncover the secrets hidden beneath the waves, leading you directly to the Sunken Kingdom's depths. After starting the Tall Tale, carefully read through your journal entries. These entries provide crucial clues and direct you to the next steps of your journey. You will be guided to various islands and encounter different challenges that unfold the story. As you advance, the narrative will naturally lead you towards the Sunken Kingdom, where you will explore its magnificent underwater structures and face its unique perils. Stay vigilant and follow the path. The Captains of the Damn Tall Tale culminates in your exploration of the Sunken Kingdom itself. You will be directed to specific underwater shrines, each offering distinct puzzles and environmental interactions. There are 6 main shrines to discover, each holding secrets and valuable loot. Prepare for extended dives and clever problem-solving as you navigate these beautiful yet dangerous underwater environments. Uncover the rich history and powerful artifacts hidden within. Upon successfully completing all the steps of the Captains of the Damn Tall Tale, you will have fully experienced the Sunken Kingdom Voyage. Finishing this adventure grants you exclusive cosmetic rewards and commendations, marking your achievement. Even after completing the Tall Tale, the Sunken Kingdom's shrines and treasuries remain accessible for you to revisit and explore at your leisure, offering endless opportunities for treasure hunting and discovery. Enjoy your well-earned rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.